How to make a good Hinge profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hinge is a popular dating app, different from casual dating app and more focused towards relationship. So if you want to stand out and have a good Hinge profile, make sure to complete it. Some of the ways to make your Hinge profile better would be head over to your Hinge application. Once that is done, tap on the profile from the bottom right corner. If you see an exclamation mark on your profile, which means your profile is not completed, tap on Edit Profile. First and foremost, you'll have to select 6 photos or videos. You can either select it from Facebook or Instagram or include it yourself. Make sure to include clear images with mix of close-ups, full body shots and engaging moments. Continuing with, you will have to complete all the written prompts. There are different prompts related to you. Let's chat about sections, story time, self care, date vibes, types, and much more. Select the prompt of your wish and use witty and thoughtful responses that can show your personality. Likewise, you can scroll down to select for a video prompt and a prompt poll for a more interesting profile. Include your hobbies, your vitals, your fun facts, and unique quirks. This can be a good way for the conversation starters. Make sure to include captivating prompts and be regular on the application. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.